Hi everyone. This tutorial will discuss the concept of the community board filters, how to use it, and how you can make the most out of it. So the first question you might have is, what is the purpose of having these filters? This is how we navigate the Coptic world and see what Copts are doing in other parts of the world. So say you're in the US, you can see what Copts in Egypt are doing, what Copts in Australia are doing, etc. These filters are also a way for you to filter all the content that is posted on the community board, so that you only see what you want to see or are able to find the specific post that you are looking for. For example, you saw a post of a really nice hymn, but you can't remember the name of the post. But what you do remember is that it is a video and that it was posted somewhere in the US. You can use filters to help you find that post. So let's now talk about how you can filter the posts using location. As you can see here, there are 4 options. One for countries, one for states, one for cities, and one for churches. If you click where it says all countries, you will find that there are over 40 countries to choose from. Selecting a country, such as the United States, will change the community board to show all posts that are from that country, the most recent being at the top. So if you look here, you will see each post is from somewhere in the United States. Now, if you click on All States drop down, you will see the various states in the US, which you can view posts from. So you can select to see posts from a specific state, such as New York, and if we do that now, you will see that all posts are now from members of Coptic churches in New York. You can also filter the posts by city. So we will take Manhattan as our example. And now all the posts are from the churches in Manhattan, New York. Since there is only one church in Manhattan, we can see this in the last option, which says all churches. For cities like Cairo, because they are so big and encompass many churches, the city will be listed under the states section, and where it says cities, it will list the districts or suburbs of that city. So back to our original example, if you remember the post was from the US and it was a video, you can choose to filter by content. Under the locations filter, you will see 7 checkboxes, which are already checked. If you uncheck these boxes, you will no longer see posts of that type on your community board. So if you know that it was a video, you uncheck these 6 boxes so that all that is left is video. If you can't remember if it was a video or an audio file, you can check both boxes and only audio and video posts will then appear. So using our example, we have filtered it to the United States and to video and audio. So now it will be easier to find the post. You can also choose to filter content on the community board so that you see posts from only your friends or from all members of CopticWorld. Select the My Friends option will make your community board identical to Facebook's newsfeed, in that you see all the posts your friends make. The advantage CopticWorld has over Facebook in this sense is that you can still view, like, and comment on posts made by members who are not your friends and have made their posts available to all members. If you are looking for a particular post, you can search using keywords in this search box. If we take, for example, posts containing the word Coptic, we type in Coptic and click search. Now we are seeing all the posts in the world which contain the word Coptic. If there is a particular combination of filters that you would like to save, you can select the Save This Filter option under the search function. And then you will be able to name and save this filter. For example, I will make a filter for posts from Egypt only and save them under the name Egypt. So we go to Save Filter and we type in the name Egypt. Then I go to this drop box here and I can find all my saved filters. By default, I have an option called Whole World, which is every type of post from anywhere in the world, which is unfiltered. Then I have My Church option, which shows all the posts from members of my local church. Now if you want to delete or rename this new filter you have made, or even make it the default filter, the one which appears first when you click Community Board, you click Manage Saved Filters, and you can do that here. If you want to hide the filters section completely, you can do that by selecting Hide Filters. and it will no longer be visible, leaving you with more room to view your posts. So now you know everything there is to know about filtering your community board. May God bless you all, and we ask that you please pray for CopticWorld.